Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Spotify not linking to Instagram notes. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, install it. Next, search for Spotify and make sure it is updated as well. Keeping both apps updated can fix compatibility issues. After that, open your phone's settings and go to Apps. Find Instagram, open it, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. Then go back, find Spotify, open Storage, and clear its cache too. Now, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or vice versa, and make sure your connection is stable. Once that's done, open Instagram, go to your direct messages, tap Notes, and check whether the Spotify sharing option appears. If the feature is still missing, restart your phone. So that's basically how you can fix Spotify not linking to Instagram notes. Thanks!